What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio review Friday. I want to show you that the market this week has gone down by a lot. I've lost $224 just this week. And between February 24th, where I was at 69.40, until today, the lowest point is 65.42. That's $398 that I lost. $400 in a matter of less than 2 weeks. I also want to show you this screenshot here I took because Robinhood sends you notifications of what they call price movements. The price movements show you whether the stocks go up and down, and here you see that Kron is down 5%, ACST is down 10%, DAL 4.6. So essentially the stock market has been going down. I'll look at Tesla, for example. This was my biggest winner for the longest time when it was almost at $800. If you look at the monthly performance, it started going down just over a month ago. Let's look at the 3-month performance. It was at its peak on January 8th at 880. I guess it was 883. January 26th was the peak. And then now it's all the way down to 581, 580. And it keeps moving up and down, right? See, it's alive. So that's pretty crazy. So this Tesla is going down. Nicole over here is ridiculously down. I ended up buying just a little bit more to decrease my average cost. So my average cost used to be about $45. I was able to decrease it to $31 by buying shares when they're a lower price. So I bought a few today actually. And the news are telling us that the Nikola stock is not looking very promising, and a lot of people are starting to get out of it. So, but still, most people are holding on. So we can see, according to Robinhood, 71% of people hold, 29% buy, and it looks like nobody's selling. So this is not accurate. So let me show you how the average purchase price gets calculated. Essentially, it takes all the prices you buy at. So see, the first 2 shares of Nikola I bought at $69. Then I bought more at 67, 62, 55. You can see that I was buying as it was going down. I was buying more and more and more. And then I bought some at 17, 18, 16, and now 14. Here I did some sell when I was at $27. I caught a good point where I knew I can get a little bit of my money back. So I sold 5 shares at $27.76. I bought 2 shares at 16. Yesterday. I bought 1 more share at 14 today. Again, I'm not trying to buy too much. I'm just trying to decrease my average purchase price. And what that's going to do is, instead of having to wait to 45 until it gets to 45 to get my money back, I only have to wait until it gets to 30. And that's, I think, is possible. In the last 3 months, it went up to 28.58, and that was January 27. So just over a month ago. But besides that, it's been pretty low. So even as low as $13. I don't think I bought anything there. I think I missed that opportunity. But I'm still in the green, which is great, but I can definitely see how things here are moving, fluctuating. So ACB minus 20 here. This is my total return. So I'm losing $20. Everything you see here, each one of the greens is how much money I'm winning. So here I made $210. Here I made $1, $7, 8 cents. $5, $6, right? $122 I made on AAL. I wish I bought more. $80 I made on GM. Let's look at GM real quick. I bought GM on average at $25.20. It's right now at $52. It doubled in price. I only bought 3 shares, but now those shares are making me $80. So if I bought more shares at $25, I'd be making much more money. Here, the greens tell me that all the greens are the right decisions that I made. All the reds are the wrong decisions that I made. So that's why I like this chart here. This Ocugen is also really weird. I know some people made a lot of money on it when they caught it being around, just 3 months ago. This was 29 cents, December 14th, end of last year. And then January was $2 throughout the whole January. And then suddenly in February, skyrockets to 15. So $2 compared to $15, that's $13 return. So imagine if you had a lot of shares of that, you'd be making a lot of money. Right now, my average cost is $8.45, slightly higher than what it is right now. So I can actually buy right now. So let's say I want to buy some shares over here, and I want to buy, let's say I want to buy 2 more shares. Right? I have money. I have $2,000 buying power. Let's do 3 shares. estimated cost 24.33, buy. And there you have it. I have successfully purchased Ocugen 3 more shares. Now I have 12 shares over here. Average cost went down 8.38 because I bought it when it was slightly cheaper, so that's good. I like that, because if it goes back to 15, I can still make some money. If it goes back to $2, yeah, I'm losing a little bit, but I spent a total of $100 right now on this stock, and I was able to get 12 shares for the $100, so it's not bad. So let's see what that's gonna look like in the next few days. It's gonna be the weekend. I really like the weekends because it gives you a break from the stock market, because it gets tiring. You get tired from constantly looking at those numbers, and it can get frustrating, especially when you go about your day and then you open up your account and suddenly seeing that instead of a 9 this turned into a 6. So that kind of sucks. So only a week ago I was at 800 and then it just went downhill. That was actually pre-market this morning, $862. That's the lowest it dropped for a while. So definitely some stuff is happening here with the stock market. Gotta be careful, take measured risks, read the news of each stock before purchasing it, because I definitely recommend doing your research before you invest your hard-earned money. Look at the statistics, look at the average volume, see what the stock is doing before you start purchasing. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed this real quick video. Like my video if you found some value in it. Subscribe if you want to see more, and stay safe out there.